In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Etsy reviews to your Wix website that will certainly boost your credibility and promote your credibility in the online market. It's a well-known fact that customer reviews can significantly impact the performance of your store. And with this guide, accomplishing this task will be a breeze. Firstly, your journey begins by deciding on a third-party application. There's an array of services that you can pick from, like Wally Reviews, Shapo, Sociable Kit, or Webcool's Etsy integration. These platforms are designed to synchronize reviews from your Etsy shop to your Wix site easily and effectively. Having chosen the right third-party service for your specific needs is the commencement of this process, setting the course for the remaining steps. Once you've made your choice, the next stage entails signing up for the service and connecting your Etsy shop. The steadfast procedure here involves creating an account on the platform of your choice. Following the instructions, you'd be required to link your Etsy shop to this service. In most cases, you'll be providing your shop's URL or API information. Remember, this is a highly crucial step, ensuring the seamless transfer of reviews from your Etsy store to your Wix site. Minutiae matter just as much. Therefore, the third stage within this process involves customizing the widget to match your website's aesthetic. This is when your creative skills come into play. You adjust the colors, fonts, and the overall layout of the review widget in accordance with your Wix site's branding. The end goal here is to obtain a harmonious look between the widget and your website, thus providing a consistent user experience that stands out. By this stage, you've chosen your service, created an account, connected your shop, and customized the widget to your requirements. The subsequent step is rather straightforward. You'll need to copy the provided HTML embed code. This code is what enables the integration of the reviews from the third-party service to your Wix website. Finally, it's time to bring it all together on your Wix website. You will need to head over to your Wix editor and look for an option that either reads as Embed Code or Embed HTML. Having found that, paste the copied code into the provided space. The finishing touch is ensuring that you save your changes, which successfully integrates the Etsy reviews to your Wix site. And voila! You have effectively navigated through the process and successfully learned how to add Etsy reviews to your Wix website. This ability will not only enhance the integrity of your site, but will also foster a higher level of trust among your customers. These simple yet highly effective steps are your pathway to a more robust online presence. Enjoy the journey and reap the benefits.